Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is a simple LR parsing table. In the previous video, already we discussed about what is the first step of SLR Parser, that is how to find out the canonical set of items for the given context-free grammar. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to construct SLR parsing table by using canonical set of items. So, this is the simple pattern of SLR parsing table, which contains action table as well as a go to table. Action table can be filled with shift function as well as reduced function for the terminal symbols, and go to table can be filled for only non-terminal symbols. On the left hand side contains all are the canonical set of items can be generated in the first step. Totally in the previous video we generated 0 to 11 canonical set of items, those can be considered in the left hand side, and there is a terminal symbols in the given context-free grammar, though terminal symbols can be filled in the action table. So, action table can be filled with only shift function as well as reduced function. Now, first of all try to understand how to fill the shift function. So, now let us see that totally there are 0 to 11 canonical set of items can be generated for the given context-free grammar. So, that is this one. This is the given context-free grammar. So, in this context-free grammar totally 11 items can be generated, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 11 items. Now, to fill the shift function in the action table, now take the I0. In I0 is there any terminal symbols after that? Now, check out on right hand side, is there any terminal symbols after that in the closure of I0? Yes, now there is a terminal symbol open bracket in the closure of I0 and there is a ID, and check out where it is ended. That means 0 comma open bracket can be ended in I4. It is ended in I4. That means now we have to fill the table. So 0 comma open bracket can be filled with I4. S4 means I4 means shift function, where we have to substitute the S4. 0 comma open bracket. 0 comma open bracket can be filled with S4 because of it is ended in I4. Similarly, check out where the 0 comma ID is ended. It is ended in I5. That means 0 comma ID. 0 comma ID can be filled with S5 because of it is ended in I5. Now look at the table. This is the table here. Now 0 comma open bracket can be filled with S4. 0 comma ID can be filled with S5 because of these two terminal symbols are ended in I4 as well as I5. That's why where we have to substitute the S4 and S5. And next one is come to the I0 is over, come to the I1. Is there any terminal symbols after that? Yes, in I1 there is a plus. Now check out where it is ended. So that is called as 1 comma plus is ended in, that is called as I6. Means now we have to fill the table with S6 because of 1 comma plus is ended in I6. That's why where we have to fill the table 1 comma plus can be filled with S6. Next one is come to here. I1 is over, I2. In I2 there is a star. So 2 comma star is ended in, that is called as 7. That means now we have to fill the table 2 comma star can be filled with S7. So that is 2 comma star can be filled with S7. Similarly, now 2 is over, come to the 3. After that there is no any symbols. Now come to here I4. After that there is a open bracket as well as ID. Already you know that it is I4 comma open bracket is ended in I4 only. That means 4 comma open bracket can be filled with S4 and 4 comma ID can be filled with S5 because of 4 comma ID is filled in the, that is called as I5. That's why we have to fill the table is S5. So 4 comma ID can be filled with S5. 4 comma open bracket can be filled with S4. And next one is, so I4 is over, come to the I5. No terminal symbols after that, and I6 come to the I6. Now is there any terminal symbols after that? Yes, there is a symbol. Terminal symbol open bracket and ID. okay, 6 comma id, sorry, 6 comma open bracket can be filled with, okay, S4 because of it is already ended in, okay, I4. That's why you have to fill the table is, okay, 6 comma open bracket can be filled with, okay, S4 and 6 comma id can be filled with S5. Now 6 comma id S5, 6 comma open bracket is S4. Okay. Now come to the 7. Now here also same, 7 comma open bracket can be filled with S4 and 7 comma id can be filled with S5. Now 7 comma id S5, 7 comma open bracket is S4. Okay. So next one is I8. Is there any terminal symbols after that? Yes, there is a close bracket and there is a plus. Now check out where 8 comma close bracket is ended. Okay, it is ended in I11. So if it is ended in I11, then we have to fill the table. Okay, that is called as 8 comma close bracket can be filled with S11. Okay, so 8 comma, okay, close bracket can be filled with S11 and 8 comma plus, where it is ended 8 comma plus. So plus is already ended in, okay, 6. So that's why we have to fill the table is 8 comma, that is called as plus can be filled with S6. And next one is 8 is over, come to the I9, okay, no terminal symbols after that, and come to the I10, no terminal symbols after that, and come to the I11, no terminal symbols after that. So this is the how to fill the shift function. And similarly, now we are going to fill the reduced function. Okay, so for this one, where we have to take the what is the reduced function. Okay, so now totally we have 6 productions are there. We have to rename with these 6 productions. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4, this is R5, this is R6. Before that, where we have to calculate that what is the fall of E, okay, fall of T and fall of F. What is the fall of E? Yes, so now we are going to calculate that what is the fall of E. Follow E and follow of T and follow of F. Okay, so to calculate the follow function for E and T and F, we have to check out that where that is called as E on right hand side. Okay, as we know that E is the starting symbol, that's why we need to add the dollar. Because of for the starting symbol, we need to add the dollar. Okay, and next one is E followed by plus, and there is a one more E followed by close bracket. And is there any E on right hand side? No. Okay, so that is will get that what is the close bracket and plus and dollar are the follow of E. Similarly, we will calculate that what is the follow of T. Now you know that there is a, okay, so there is a T on right hand side. Now as per the third rule of follow function, follow of T equals to follow of E. So now follow of E means that is called as a close bracket plus and dollar, and T followed by star. Okay, so now we will take that is called as a close bracket and plus and star and dollar. And next one is to calculate the follow of E, no sorry, follow of F. Follow of F equals to follow of T. Okay, that means all the symbols, okay, which can be get the follow of T, those can be considered as a follow of F. Close bracket plus star dollar. Okay, to fill the reduced function, now simply we have to take that where the first production E derives E plus T is ended. Okay, so after that, now where it is ended, in that place, now we have to fill the table with R1. What are the follow of E symbols? Okay, what are the follow of symbols? Close bracket and plus and dollar. Now check out where it is ended. Okay, so that is called as F derives E plus T dot. Now there is, okay, it is ended in I9. That means 9 comma close bracket, 9 comma plus 9 comma dollar can be filled with R1 because of it is first reduced function. Okay, now look at the table here. Okay, so that is called as R1 means now 9 comma, okay, plus 9 comma close bracket and 9 comma dollar can be filled with R1. Okay, 9 comma plus 9 comma close bracket, 9 comma dollar can be filled with, okay, R1. Now that is how to fill the R1. And next one is what is R2? Check out where E derives T dot, okay, it is ended, where E derives T dot is ended, it is ended in I2, okay. So now 2, okay, what is the fall of E? Yes, right, so that is equal as, okay, 2 comma close bracket and 2 comma plus and 2 comma dollar can be filled with R2 because of E derives T dot is ended in I2, okay. That is why now 2 comma all the fall of E can be filled with R2, 2 comma close bracket, 2 comma plus, 2 comma dollar can be filled with R2, okay. 2 comma plus can be filled with R2, 2 comma close bracket can be filled with R2, 2 comma dollar can be filled with R2, okay. So R2 is over. Now come to here, okay, what is R3 here? T determines T star F. Check out where it is ended, okay. So now it is ended in, that is I11, sorry, I10. Now what is the production here? T determines T star F. What is the fall of T? You know that, close bracket plus star and dollar, okay. So that is 10 comma close bracket, 10 comma plus, 10 comma star, sorry, 10 comma star and 10 comma dollar can be filled with R3 because of this is the R3 production, okay. Now 10 comma plus can be filled with R3, 10 comma star can be filled with R3, 10 comma close bracket can be filled with R3, 10 comma dollar can be filled with R3. This is how we can fill the R3 production. And next one is what is R4? T determines F. Where it is ended? T determines F means it is ended in I3, okay. That means what is the fall of T? Fall of T is close bracket plus star dollar, 3 comma open bracket, 3 comma plus, 3 comma star, 3 comma dollar can be filled with R4, okay. So now 3 comma plus R4, 3 comma star R4, 3 comma close bracket is R4, 3 comma dollar is R4. And next one is come to the R5, okay. So F derives CE, okay. So I think it is ended in I11. What is the fall of F? You know that, open bracket plus star as well as dollar, okay. 11 comma close bracket, 11 comma plus, 11 comma star and 11 comma dollar can be filled with R5, okay. Now look at the table, 11 comma, okay, plus R5, 11 comma star R5, 11 comma close bracket R5, 11 comma star dollar R5, okay. And the last one is, okay, so that is F derives ID. Where it is ended? As we know that it is ended in I5. What is the fall of F? As we know that, okay. So that is close bracket and plus and star and dollar, okay. 5 comma close bracket and 5 comma plus, 5 comma star and 5 comma dollar can be filled with R6. Now look at the table, okay. This is the fifth one, 5 comma plus R6, 5 comma star R6, 5 comma close bracket R6 and 5 comma dollar is R6. As we know that in every table, that is we have to fill 1 comma dollar is accepted because of the augmented grammar is ended in I1, that is called as a closure of I1. Whenever can apply the go to function on the augmented grammar, it is ended in, okay, I1. So that is why you have to fill the default value 1 comma dollar can be filled with accept. Till now that is action table is over. And next one is come to the go to table, okay, that is called as all the non-terminal symbols, okay. Now we are going to fill that what are the non-terminal symbols, okay, in the given contextual grammar after that, okay. So now check out where is the non-terminal symbols in the I0, non-terminal symbols in the I1, I3 and so on. That means where we have to check out where is the non-terminal symbol, okay, after that in each and every item, okay. Now there is a non-terminal, Okay, check out 0 comma e, it is ended in I1, that is 0 comma e is ended in I1, that means where we need to fill the table 0 comma e can be filled with 1. Okay, so now 0 comma e can be filled with I1. Similarly, now come to here. Okay, 0 comma t, non-terminal, t is a non-terminal, where it is ended? Now 0 comma t is ended in I2, that means 0 comma t can be filled with 2. Okay, so that is a I0 comma t can be filled with 2. And similarly, now come to the f, where it is ended? It is ended in I3. I3 means 0 comma f can be filled with 3. Okay, 3, 0, this is the I0. Okay, f can be filled with S3. And similarly, come to the I1, is there any non-terminal symbol after that? No, all are the terminal symbols. And come to the I2, is there any non-terminal symbol? No, there is a star. And come to the I3, no non-terminal symbols after that. And come to the I4, okay, now there is a E and there is a T and there is a F. As we know that where it is ended, okay, so that is called as 4 comma E, 4 comma, so that is 4 comma E is ended in, that is called as 8. That means the table can be filled with 4 comma E can be filled with 8. And next one is in I4 there is a T, it is ended in I2, that is called as T dot, okay, and F, okay, check out the table here. Okay, so that is 4 comma T can be filled with I2, and similarly F is ended in I3, so that's why I have to fill the table is 3, that is called as 0 comma F can be filled with 3. And next one is come to here. Okay, so I4 is over, come to the I5, is there any non-terminal symbol after that? No. Come to the I6, yes, there is a T. Okay, check out where it is ended, 6 comma T. Okay, so 6 comma T is ended in I9. Okay, now fill the table. Okay, so 6 comma T can be filled with, this is the sixth one, T can be filled with 9. Okay, similarly 6 comma F is ended in 3. Okay, and next one is, sixth one is over, come to the seventh one, yes, seventh one F. Okay, so 7 comma F is ended in I10. Okay, now 7 comma F can be filled with, okay, 10. And okay, so seventh one is over, I8, okay, no non-terminal symbols after that, and I9 no non-terminal symbols after that, and I10 no non-terminal symbols after that, and I11 no non-terminal symbols after that. Okay, this is how you can fill the table. Okay, this is how you can fill the table with the shift function as well as reduced function as well as a go to table. Okay, so please check out. Is there any doubts? Please comment, okay, by watching the video. Thank you everyone.